Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Rocket Money bill negotiation. Rocket Money is a platform that helps users negotiate their bills and save money on various services such as cable, internet, and phone bills. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of negotiating your bills using Rocket Money and provide you with practical tips to get the best results. First, it is essential to understand how Rocket Money works. The platform uses a team of experts who will review your bills and negotiate with service providers on your behalf to lower your costs. To get started, you need to link your accounts to the Rocket Money platform and provide information about your bills. Once your accounts are linked, the Rocket Money team will review your bills and identify areas where savings can be made. They will then negotiate with your service providers to lower your bills. The goal is to save you money without compromising the quality of service you receive. Here are some tips to keep in mind when using Rocket Money to negotiate your bills. Be honest and transparent about your financial situation and goals. This information will help the Rocket Money team to negotiate more effectively on your behalf. Be clear about what you want to achieve from the negotiation. If you are looking to save a specific amount of money, let the Rocket Money team know. They will work towards achieving your goals. Be patient and give the Rocket Money team time to negotiate with your service providers. The negotiation process may take some time, but it is worth the wait if it results in significant savings. Another tip is to review and understand your bills before linking them to the Rocket Money platform. This will help you to identify areas where you can cut back on costs and provide valuable information to the Rocket Money team. Finally, take advantage of the Rocket Money customer support team. They are available to answer any questions you may have and provide guidance throughout the negotiation process. By following these tips and using the Rocket Money platform, you can successfully negotiate your bills and save money on various services. Remember to be patient, honest, and clear about your goals, and you will be on your way to saving money with Rocket Money.